joining me? You joining me? You gonna follow me or no? Alright, bet. Alright, man. Peace out, then. Let me sit here for a little bit.
Thank you for much longer to be here. We have our annual Christmas ride.
Right, guys, we're gonna head out of this debacle. It's fun. Looks cool, huh? I'm just gonna have some fun on my own. Enjoy the ride. Record it a little bit, you know. I didn't get the first part where we did a lot of cool shit and some burnouts and some fun things. But oh well. But this is cool because now I can show you some other things, like the scenic ride back. Okay. Oh, dude, whatever that smells is so good. Oh, it smells like pizza. I love pizza. Oh well. What? Fucking love my bike. Oh yeah, there was some dude that got like highly upset at that bike meet. Fucking accidentally walked in front of his fucking camera. And he was like, he said something about you saw me and still walked in front of my camera. And I was like, that's my bad, man. I'm sorry. I didn't know you were fucking taking a video or anything. And he was like, nah, that was mad disrespectful. I was like, that's my bad. He was like, okay, whatever. I don't know you like that. You fucking, that was, ooh, you're beautiful. But yeah, he's a fucking dick for that one. Trying to dap him up, be like, yo, I'm sorry. My bad. I even said I'm sorry when I did it. I was like, oh shit, you know? But oh well, he was just tripping. Even his friend was like, nah, he's just tripping. So I was like, whatever. It is what it is. So now, and then we kind of hung out at the bike meet a little bit. Fucking, it's cool. Tampa Joe's is where we were at. It's a little bit past Tampa Airport, so pretty cool. We're gonna do another one on Thursday, where we're gonna stay a bit later, show you a bit more. I'm gonna do a video on it, see what I can do. But yeah, should be dope. It's gonna be OCC, Orange County, or it's Orange County Choppers. Yeah, Orange County Choppers. It's a pretty dope fucking place. We were there for a couple times, never recorded it. Just wanted to get the feel for the place, you know. But it's low-key pretty cool, honestly. So I'm gonna take you guys there, show you how it be. Because sometimes you just go for it, really. You know, it's nothing crazy. It's just a lot of fucking, I mean, you would think there's gonna be a lot of fucking, what do you call it, cruisers there, choppers and shit, like Harleys. There are. It's just, you know, towards the end, towards like the nightlife type shit, there's a lot of street bikes. So, it gets pretty nice out there for us. Unfortunately, fucking, I don't know what it is, fucking cruisers hating us. I mean, I get it, I guess. I hate us too, right? But, fucking, sorry, one second. fucking life just be hitting, I guess. We got their panties in a bunch. Never fucking live to see another day type shit. We're all brothers, really. All two little brothers. Why can't we fucking be nice to each other? And I try my best to fucking do what I can to be nice and shit. Always fucking admit when I'm wrong type shit. And then people still get butthurt, so I don't fucking know. I try my best. Oh yeah. Yeah, so another thing is fucking I wanted to show you guys how crazy the ride was here. We did so many fucking things. We met up with some Groms. Dude did a burnout right in front of us, so I was like, fuck it, I'll do it my own. And did a little spinny one. Yeah, got my back tires rolling, you know what I'm saying? But we had a blast. Cut through the theaters and shit. That shit was so cool. Hitting the windy roads and shit. Cutting through some cars. Just doing some fucking hooligan shit, I guess. I'm gonna cut this guy off on accident here. Not on accident, my bad. Straight up, my own fault. See what I mean? I try my best. I know. I fucked it up. Fucked it up. I didn't mean to fuck it up. It's okay though. We're all good. It's about this place. You just kind of gotta let it roll off your shoulders. I don't need this map anymore. I know where I'm at. Oh. I'm gonna turn that off. Let this kind of cruise out. Because it's better that way, honestly. That's where I bought my bike. Oh, I forgot this place has a fucking big ass hole somewhere. I don't know where it is, and I'm not trying to fucking find out on accident. So, we're gonna take it easy. We're gonna take it a little easy today. Just gonna be doing our own thing, rolling our own speed. Whatever I'm comfortable with. I bought a jacket from this place too, some Tampa Bay Rider jackets, trying to support the cause, you know what I'm saying? And shit. But sometimes I get caught up in my own head, and you know, it's not the best thing. Oh yeah. I love how my bike sounds sometimes. Sometimes I wish it was more throaty. You just like that all the way around. But it's not, unfortunately. There are times where it does get pretty throaty. But other than that, it just sounds like a fucking Suzuki. If you know what I mean, you know what I mean.
What's up, Shipples?